Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the radio. And on this car I've got a problem with the AC control unit. As you can see, if I turn the key in the second position, the blower motor will be activated, and you can actually hear that click. That's the relay for the blower motor. As you can hear, the blower motor is activated and the switch is at 0. The blower motor will stop, but now it just changes the speed. So basically we've got a broken potentiometer in this unit, and in this situation you gotta replace the whole unit. So let's see how to remove the radio and the AC control unit. So all you have to do is to pull this cover up like that, turn the key in the second position, put the gear lever in the middle so you can take out this cover like that, and you can just set this aside like that. It's quite dirty in here, so I will give it a clean later. Now let's remove these two screws and this small compartment for cigarettes should come out. Now the unit can stay like that, it's not that heavy. Now if you put your hand under here, you will feel a tab right on top of this storage unit. So you gotta press on it and then this unit comes out. This is the tab. And finally the radio, which I'm going to remove it from this car, and you can push it like that. If you have the original one, you usually have some keys in here. You can use some sort of file which goes on each side like here, and then you push that way and the radio will come out as well. It's a quite easy process. And a lot of you guys asked me on the previous video where I changed the radio on the C-Class. This one has 8 pins and this one has only 4 pins. And since this car was a taxi, it also has a microphone. Now if you look down there, you're gonna see 2 more screws, and this whole panel will come out as well, and the AC unit will come out as well. You just have these tabs on the side, press them outwards. And here it is, the unit which needs to be replaced. Okay, so I just opened this unit and there you can see the potentiometer. It does spin, but it's definitely broken inside. It's quite easy to replace actually, even though it looks complicated. You just need a very tiny soldering iron, and then you can take out this unit. You can see it's held on by these clips, and then you've got on the side here 2 more very tiny clips. You just press them inwards, unsolder these 3 pins, and the unit will come out. The same on the other side. Press on these tabs like that and then unsolder this and it will come out. But that only if you can find that small potentiometer down there. Okay guys, so now you might wonder what I'm gonna do with this radio, why I remove it from the car. Well, I'm gonna try to install it on another car, a different model. It's not gonna be a Mercedes E-Class, and that's gonna be interesting on how to wire a new radio from another car so that it will work with all the functions. Hopefully I can manage to do that pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. Now I'm going to just reinstall this back. On the previous C-Class where I replaced the radio, a lot of you guys told me that it's possible to find a radio unit or a wiring harness with the 3rd connector. This one has 2. And you guys told me that it's possible to purchase an adapter for this 3rd connector. You've got these 2 here, and the 3rd one will allow you to use the controls on the steering wheel. Unfortunately, I didn't see anything like this on the market, but if you guys know any source from where you can buy this type of connector, then just put a link in the description below and help others if you can really find this type of connector. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.